guys had a fantastic new year. And so happy new year to all of you who are viewing this video today and who have stuck with me all year long and been super patient with me this year. So welcome to Heidi's Home. And if you are new, hit that subscribe button because there's going to be a lot of great video content come out your way for 2023. So today is a sad day. It is very sad for me because if anybody knows me, you know that I love Christmas. And more than just love Christmas, I love the tree, I love the lights, I love the bows, I love the ornaments. But what I don't like doing is saying goodbye to it and taking it all down. And that is what I'm doing today. I don't want to. I feel like the lights in the living room bring on such a warmth, okay, and such a sweet ambiance, I guess is the word. And I just don't want to say goodbye to it. I love it that much. It is just so pretty. But my friends and my family would think it was crazy if they came here for Ronnie's birthday, which is this month, and I am hosting a birthday party here. Would think you are crazy. You're almost in February and your tree's still up. So I'm going to take the tree down. I'm going to take it down. I'm going to take it all down today. I don't want to, but I'm going to. And I hope that this video inspires and helps you guys be motivated. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas as well and a wonderful New Year's. Thank you so much for watching my Vlogmas. I cannot stress enough the wonderful viewers that I have that leave me comments and are such beautiful people. You all are such beautiful people. And thank you for your supporting me and Ronnie and just enjoying my video content that I put out. I know I've said it before, but I don't make any money putting this content out. I could if I really pushed to, but I don't. I do it because this is my hobby and because I find this so enjoyable. I love the editing. I love sharing. And I love all of you because some of you guys have been with me before I even became Heidi's Home. And that's so exciting and wonderful. I have met some fantastic people through my YouTube channel, and I am and will be forever grateful. So today, it is 2023. It's hard to believe. It's hard to believe we are in a new year. And today, like I said, I'm going to get into the closet, pull out the boxes and the Rubbermaid tubs, which I dread doing because I have to take them down 2 flights of stairs and take them downstairs and take all the stuff down and pack it all up and then carry it back up 2 flights of stairs and put it away. Not looking forward to it at all. But we're going to do it. We're going to tackle it. I hope you guys find some type of inspiration and motivation out of this video. I'm also going to be making some taco chili today for dinner. I have not been to the grocery store, which seems like forever. And I more than likely will not get to the grocery store until probably this weekend sometime. And my cabinet is pretty bare. We had Christmas parties and Christmas, and I baked cookies, and you've seen all that I did in Vlogmas. And now I'm just utilizing and using up everything that I have. And so I went into my freezer today. I have 1 pound of ground beef left. 1 pound. That's odd for me. So today we are going to make some taco chili. And that is what we're going to eat today. Hopefully we have some leftovers for tomorrow for lunch. Ronnie's going to be going to the gym. And he's going to go swimming. And I'm going to be staying home to get caught up. And then Wednesday, we are actually signed up for every event that Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind will be holding this entire month. So We are going to have a very busy month. Ronnie and I had made the decision that we're just not going to sit at home. We are going to go out. We are going to enjoy life and just have a lot of fun because you know what? Life is about what you make it. And I know that somebody rudely said, I probably shouldn't even mention this, but I was sharing about Cabell Wayne and how we were getting together to play bingo, and somebody wrote me and said, who cares about that? Nobody wants to see about that. And that's okay with me. If you don't want to watch it, don't watch it. But for Ron and I, the one thing that is so good about our relationship is that we can make a simple bingo game fun. You know, we can find the humor in it. We can find the joy in it. And that's really what living your best life is about. Life always is hard. You're always going to have situations that you're going to be faced with. But if you can make the simple times fun, then you're doing really good. And Ron and I he is legally blind. He's blind and I'm legally blind. I'm also partially deaf, if you don't know, if you're new to my channel. And we just have learned that life is really short. And for us, we need to enjoy all the simple things that life offers. And this year, him and I are going to embrace those things a lot more and find the joy in the simple things. And so I just thought I would throw that out at you guys. If you guys are struggling I'm just going to say this. A lot of times we watch other YouTubers and they traveling and they're shopping and they're spending a lot of money. And you're thinking to yourself, man, my life is sort of empty. And it's not what other people have. It's not what other people, are living. But that's okay, because I can tell you that 98% of us are living just a simple life. We don't have a lot of money. We don't do a lot of fancy traveling. And when we do, we are so grateful to be able to do so. But I also know groceries are high. People are struggling to make it. And I figured that a lot of my viewers out there are those kind of people. And I just want you guys to know that it's okay to get the joy out of the simple things, like a Monopoly game with your kids, or Uno with your kids, or a movie night where you make popcorn, or make homemade pizza with your husband. And, those are the things. And I will tell you that the expensive gifts and the expensive travels, those are not going to be the things your kids are going to remember. They're going to remember the time that you made them homemade hot chocolate and you turned on the Elf movie and, you decorated the Christmas tree together. Those things. Those things is what matters. It's the simple things. Anyways, I'm going to quit babbling, but that's just my tips for the new year and the way I'm thinking and the way that I'm geared towards. And I know you guys like to hear some of my personal thoughts for whatever they're worth. But seriously, we need to focus on the simple things and just enjoy. Just enjoy, guys. So now we are going to get started with putting away my Christmas village. As you can tell, I save all my bubble wrap, my boxes, everything that I need to ensure that when I get this out next year, it is not broken, because it is one of my prized possessions at Christmas time is my Christmas village. I absolutely love it. I put it up for years now, and it wouldn't be Christmas without my village being out. Now, after you take down all of the Christmas stuff, you find a lot of dust that is up underneath everything, and you're going to see it firsthand in this video. So I'm just taking some generic wood cleaner, just some dusting cleaner, and just giving the hutch a good wipe down. Now, before anyone says anything, yes, I could not find my scissors, and I'm using a kitchen knife to take down these ribbons and to cut the garland off the banisters. But I get it done, and it worked in a pinch. This is the sad part for me, is taking down my tree. I bought my tree. A lot of people have asked me where I've gotten my tree. I got my tree at Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance. It is a 6-foot flocked pencil tree. It is the perfect size for my home, the perfect size for my living room. And I absolutely love it because it is not only easy to decorate, but it is pretty easy to disassemble. Now you are seeing real quickly, well, the mess that is left behind. If you want to go flocked, this is what happens. The snow gets left behind. But we have all that stuff sitting out on the couch and the coffee table. And now I'm going to sort and put it all up into the containers and get those ready for storing till next year. Now I have the little 3-foot tree that was on my coffee station. I'm taking all the ornaments off, and I'm going to get ready to close this video out by taking all of the containers up 2 flights of stairs and putting it away. This is not fun, nor is it easy, But I want to thank you so much for watching. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button. And it feels good to have this done. And now we can begin fresh for the new year. So Happy New Year to all of you. And please leave your comments and your thumbs up. And I'll be seeing you again soon.